Rich people are leaving the US and Europe and moving to Panama. Why? First, taxes. In Panama, you only pay tax on income earned inside Panama. That means if you earn money from the US crypto, stocks, or online businesses, you don't pay local Panamanian tax on that. Second, cost of living. Eat out, live in a modern apartment, get private healthcare, all for way less money than back home. And third, investment laws. Panama has super investor friendly laws like real estate incentives and no capital gains tax on many assets. Plus, Panama's friendly nations visa makes it easy for expats to get residency. Retire early, start a business, live tax efficiently. Panama checks ALL those boxes. This is why billionaires, digital nomads, and remote workers are moving here fast. Comment Panama if you want tips on how you can move there too. Follow for more global wealth hacks.